If you own a car, boat, motorcycle, riding mower, then I got a tool here that I think you're gonna think is real nice like. What's up everybody? My name's Clint. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. Now I have a tool in my hand that I was told before by a major tool brand it was impossible to make. Maybe not impossible, but very hard. I won't mention what brand that was because it turns out that this tool is possible to make and Ryobi made it. This is the brand new Ryobi, not Ryobi, 18 volt, yeah, battery jump starter. 1600 peak amps right here. Now the thing about these battery packs, especially back in the old days, I would buy them. They would cost me $100, $200, maybe $300. I would use them for a year or two. I'd keep them out in the garage. They would get cold, the batteries would die. And then next thing you know, I had this really cool battery pack with all these functions, but the battery wasn't working. And you can't replace them. So what you had to do, unfortunately, is just recycle them, toss them out. Then you would have to go out and buy another one, and it was just the cycle was never ending. That is where this comes in. And what's really cool about this is that it runs off of the Ryobi, not the Ryobi 18 volt battery platform. So eventually if this battery ever does go bad and dies on you, well, you toss it out and you put a new one in here and this will always be with you. Appreciate you sticking around. So let's do an overview of this real quick. I'll show you the functionality. I'll hook it up to the truck. We'll talk about what this is capable of and what it's not. Bird. And what it's not capable of. So let's go ahead and open up this truck hood. And by the way, I drive a Ram because I'm a man. Try to find that sweet battery. Of course, as normal, you got your positive and your negatives. I guess that would not be plural as there is only one. So smart. Now you can see right here, you have your negative, says right there, neg. And then you have your positive, which says POS. That does not stand for piece of It stands for real nice like. Tell you what is a piece of though. Damn tripod. All right, so just like every other battery jumper, here you go. We got your negative, you got your POS. You can see we have our battery inside right there. That's a 4Ah, but however, it does come with, in the kit, a 2Ah battery and this crappy little charger. I just like these chargers very much. Now you hook your negative up to your negative, you hook your POS. Let's go right here. See, if this is a Ford or a Chevy truck and this happened, you would just throw this whole motor away. So you got a couple different things going on. Now they're saying this is spark resistant. We'll hold that. That's the power button right there. You see it's going to turn on. Let me see this right here. They're scared from my face right now. Okay, no spark. It's good. So this right here, you got your prime button. That's a picture of an engine. So I'm just going to push that down. You're going to see it's priming. You got that orange light lighting up. It's beeping and saying, I'm ready to go almost. So you got a capacitor in here, which is, you know, getting ready to juice this bad boy. Now they're saying this is 60 seconds max, so I'm guessing it would take up to a minute to get this thing ready to jump. You can see here it says start engine. Remember, if this was a Ford or a Chevy, you might have to attempt this a few different times to get it started. Oh, baby. So you can see that was super easy to do. You got the connect red clamp to battery positive. It tells you how to do that. Hold the power button. It turns on. Press prime button and it's going to prime it up. Wait for the green light like we seen and then hold the power button to turn off before removing clamps. Now when you take this out of the box, you're also going to get some instructions attached to this. So let me show you these. Temperature, internet, drop. Nope. There you go. Internal temperature too high. Stop using the unit to allow it to cool before using. So this is troubleshooting. If you got the red light, well, red light's never a good thing. It tell you that your 18 volt battery pack is not charged or charging capacity is too low. Charge battery pack to a minimum of 50%. This will tell you that you're not connected, or maybe you're trying to put this to a 13 volt battery and well, that's not good. It says check vehicle voltage for use only with 12 volt batteries. Now I do want to make you aware that you can only jump start up to 6.0 liters. Anything above that ain't gonna work. Also states on the box up to 20 jumps per charge, which it comes with a 2Ah battery. I'm guessing that's what they're going off of. And you got a 3-year limited warranty. Now you also have a pretty bright LED light up in front. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it with the sun out. It's the first time I've seen the sun in the last 4 days. But when I hold that button on, the power button on, the green light will kick on. And then you just hit your light up on top right there. You can turn it off, turn it back on. And even with the battery, and listen, anybody can use this thing. It's extremely light. You got a strap up on top. You can kind of carry it around like a Merce. How you doing? And on the back here, it also tells you all of your indicator lights. You don't have to keep that giant tag on there. Plus you got the non-marring feet right there. So if you set this down on your vehicle, you don't have to worry about this thing scratching. Oh, and if you forget to shut this thing off, it'll alert you by the blinking of the lights right here. So I think this is really cool. The only thing cooler is somebody that drives a Ram. This is why I always sort of say, you know, have at least one Ryobi battery, because they come out with cool stuff like this. And even if you're not in a platform, well, if something like this comes out, you want it, you buy it. Speaking of buying it, I'll leave this attached to the shopping bag, attached to the video. Just click on it, it'll take you to this product. And of course, I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in that sweet comment section below. Do you like this? Do you not like this? What do you think? I'm just going to be honest with you. If you want to see more tool reviews on this channel, share this out with your friends. It helps this channel to continue doing what we're doing and bringing these cool tools to the channel. Back more videos soon.